naturally and derate naturally and derate naturally.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Destiny, also known as D-Ray Natural, and today I am going to be reviewing this Amazon wig that I just ordered. I just wanted something really quick. I've never ordered anything from Amazon, any wig from Amazon, so this is fairly something new for me. So I wanted to review it on my channel. I haven't even unboxed it, and I'm just ready to see what it's gonna look like. I actually have somewhere to be tonight, so I'm trying to see if I'm gonna rock big hair, old twist out look, or am I going to try to break my hair down and do a wig. And I have about an hour and a half to decide, so let's start talking. If you're interested in this video or anything hair, beauty, motherhood, lifestyle, influencer, I'm pretty much just sharing my whole life. If you're interested in things like that, make sure you go down below and subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can know when I upload. And yeah, I do have on clothes. I just have on this tube top just because I'm just doing things around the house, but I know I look like I didn't have no clothes on, so I had to come back and show y'all I ain't out here naked. But anyways, back to the video. Okay, so we're gonna start with the packaging. So I did not take my address off of here, so we'll see the back, but it came in a package like this. I like that it had this little like pull to open just in case you need to reseal it if you want to return it. So that's always great. They're already ready for if you want your coins back. Like, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it that way, because if we don't like it, we send it in the bag. We send it in the bag in the quickness, okay? So I'm gonna pull this to open. Just like this. Oh, did I show my address? Pull this to open. Boom. Bow. But how do you do it when you're trying to return it? I don't know. I ain't been there too. Oh, it has a seal on here. It has a seal in case you want to return it, so that's good. But let's open. Oh, we got some more packaging. That's cute. The company that I ordered from is Fashion Plus. Yes, I did not order this blindly. I did look at a review of Amazon, like the type of wig that I was going for, like a bob. And I saw a video and her hair was pretty bomb. I don't know if she did that or it just came, or it was just, you know, I don't know. We're gonna see, but I saw it on hers and I ordered it because I needed it quick. So we're gonna see. But I like this little bag in case I need to store it back up. That's really cute because I hate trying to find my own ways to store my wigs. But anyway, let's open and see what it's working with. I feel like a clown. Every time I open it, it's some more packaging. That's okay though. Oh, that gave your girl a wig cap, and that looked like that could be for me. It's a little bright, but okay. Okay, I like that. I like that is the color, because I hate getting the nets, and I hate getting like too bright. Like nigga scalp ain't white. So I got the details right here. It is a 14-inch, it is bobo, and it is curly. Let's check this out. I'm so nervous. Ooh, I ended up ordering no wig from Amazon, but everybody's been telling me I'm sleep on them because they the truth and they affordable. Sorry I'm talking while I'm unboxing. That's very, ugh. You know? Okay, so it comes in like a little net. First impression, it's pretty soft. It has a nice little shine to it. Let's get it out the net. Okay, this is what the lace looks like. This is what it looks like, and the inside, baby, I thought I saw a stain. This is the inside. I thought this was a stain, y'all. It's still looking like a stain. That's just lace. Okay, I got 3 combs. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 combs. Elastic band, all the normal necessities. It looks like it has a pretty natural looking part, which is awesome. Just how much parting room we have. Cool. I'm liking it, but it don't look 14 inches. Let's start there. Walk around, let your soul go. It got a random gray hair right here. That's disturbing. It don't look like it's gonna be long enough for me, and I'm a little upset with that. This is my kitchen. Look at this. It's no room. It's no room. I'm still gonna prep this wig and just see how it goes. Like, I don't know. The hair is really soft. It's great quality, great shine and things, but the length, maybe when it gets wet, it'll look a little longer. Okay, it does look like it's getting longer. Is it shedding? Oh, shedding. Just gonna be honest, y'all. Honest. That shedding something different. That shedding is something different. Y'all see this? That's a lot, baby. I just put out a whole thread. Okay, so after wetting it, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try to pull my hair into sections, like band it, put the wig cap on, and we're just gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm gonna try to pull something together. Okay. Okay, I know I'm looking crazy. But I ain't trying to mess up my hair, y'all. If I do, then I'll just redo the top. I'm playing too many games. But we finna try it. I'm gonna try it on. I'm gonna pull my hair back in these little ponytails and put a wig cap on it. And I'm gonna come back and we're just gonna try this wig on, okay? We finna try it on. That's not even my skin color. I lied. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I put the ponytail under here. Y'all see this? Woo! Okay. Wig. Let's go. Oh my god, this is so funny. Please don't tell my head too big for this cap size shit. It might just be too big. Can bring it up. Oh god, this ain't gonna be the wig for me. Oh, this ain't gonna be the wig for me. Okay, well at least I know what it'll look like and if I want to braid my hair down. Oh, that's not bad. It's not bad. I'm finna just braid it down, y'all. So the style, I'm gonna go in with the Trey Lux brand, and this is their Untie the Knot, and I'm gonna spray my hair real quick. Quick little spray, just like that, just to wake it up. Go in with like 2 squirts. Okay, about that much. And press it in. Focusing on my scalp and my ends. Press it in. Focus on your scalp and then your ends. Anti-breakage serum by TGI. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna add it here. Spread it out just like that. Jump on my hair. Anti-breakage. Put that on in. If you do a lot of protective styles, I highly suggest that product because it just does your hair really good. I don't braid my hair down. I flat twist. Should have detangled first, but it's okay. And I don't go from the edges because the cap is already going to be there, so I don't want too much friction. I give it room to kind of lay on that, slide it out. I can pull out edges, all of that. So that's why I go the other way. Put it on there. Okay, so now I know y'all like, this is so chunky, Destin. How are you going to get that under a wig? Do not worry, you want it that way, because you don't want to put too much stress on your natural hair. That is like a no-no. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna pin it down, and there we go. Okay, I'm done. It is not perfect because I did waste a lot of time deciding if I wanted to do the wig or not, but don't worry, my wig will be flat. Don't worry, it's gonna be flat. It's gonna be flat, sis. It is gonna be flat. It's gonna be flat. Okay, so I have the wig on my head. It is nice and laid. Let's see. This one piece I'm probably gonna have to, it's like nothing there, it's just the hair. So I'm just gonna like probably gel that down so it doesn't look like I have a hump. But yeah, hair is nice and flat. I'm gonna have to, I usually put Eco Style on it just to kind of lay it, but this is a 360. Let's cut this lace off. I did add extra security with some bobby pins around my ear area and in the back, just because it's like really short back here. So, girl, that's what I don't want to do. Okay, where's my comb? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my contour palette. I'm just gonna contour here. So I'm gonna go in with this little sample size, got to be glued, and then I'm going to be blowing it with my Dyson. I'm probably gonna do one side and then do the other. Where's that comb at? Lay it flat, like that. Okay, so we'll come back to that. We'll come back. I'm gonna fix it, but I want to go in with foam that I have. It is the Frizz Control by Aunt Jackie's. So I'm gonna go in with that, starting with laying that back down. Like, come on, lay it down. Let's get some on these ends. Get this hair nice and curly looking. I don't want it stringy, but I do want a little bit less frizz. So I'm just gonna add a little bit on there, especially in the front. So we're just gonna do that. Not too much frizz. Well guys, this is gonna be the final look. Yeah, that's as best I can do. Y'all comment down below how this look. This is why I don't mess with the lace. Sorry, my daughter's here. So yeah, this is final. I feel like laces are just not for me, but it's gonna work today. I'm gonna do my makeup, so it's gonna be a little darker right here, but that's what we got. That's what we got for now. Yeah, I like the wig. That's the most important part. Don't judge it on the install, because like I said, it's just for beginners, people that have never done it before. This is what it looks like. and it ain't sticking up, and it kind of blends, but it's just like, oh, goodness gracious. I might put some foundation on it, but this is the end of the video. I actually have to leave now and go have a great day. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe down below, join the gang, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Peace.
It's naturally, can't you see?